There are a few ways to add your clients into the system. First, you can send them a form. Inputting their name and email or mobile phone number will add them as soon as you hit send. Secondly, you can add them without sending them a form by selecting Add New Client, inputting the info, and then saving. Lastly, you can add multiple clients at once via CSV file. Head to List Clients, import, then drag and drop your file. You'll be shown columns with data and allowed to map the CSV columns to intake fields. IntakeQ knows the most common column names and maps them for you, but you should always verify if everything looks correct using the drop-down list on the second row to correct any issues. The third step will give you the chance to assign the clients to a practitioner account. The fourth and last step is where you finally import all the client records. Just click on the button and let the system process. Depending on the number of records, the import process could take several minutes, so just leave the tab open until you receive the results.